Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for today's weekly cleaning routine. In today's video, I wanted to show you what I get done on a weekly basis. So there is lots of laundry motivation and ironing in today's video, as well as the everyday cleaning routine. I really hope that you enjoy this one and you find all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if it does help motivate you to clean along with me, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And let's just jump straight into today's video. So the first thing that I'm going to do on this day is strip the bed and get all of the washing done. I do have a wash load to put in before I put the bedding in, but I always strip the bed so there's no excuse not to get it done. I do make sure that I strip the bed first thing in the morning on the days that it needs washing. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and then put the first wash load in before tackling the kitchen.
To be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious.
So whilst I'm waiting for that first wash load to be done, I'm just going to put the washing up away that I did the night before, do some washing up that got left, and also just wipe down all of the sides and cabinets and get the kitchen nice and fresh for the day.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy.
I'd love to know if any of you are decorating your homes this autumn, so do let me know down in the comments and let me know what style and theme you're going for, what your colour theme is this year. I know that blue is very popular at the moment, so do let me know if you're going for something a little bit more unique like the blues, or if you're sticking with the traditional autumn colours of reds and burnt oranges. I would absolutely love to know what your style is, so do let me know down in the comments, and also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see my decorating. It will be up on my channel very soon. I've got a video coming to show how you can decorate on a budget, and you don't really need a lot of decorations at all to completely transform a space. So that will be coming very shortly. So if you do want to see all of my future autumn, fall, clean with me's and decorate with me's, do be sure to subscribe. So now that's all done, I'm just going to swap the washing over so I can get the bedding done, and I am so looking forward to ironing and sorting all of these clothes out. It's really strange how I actually look forward to doing the washing now. Now I've created my own laundry room. I don't know if you've seen my new laundry room makeover video. I'll have it linked in the eye for you, but I am obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. It's definitely my favourite room in the house now, and I'm just so proud that I brought my vision to life and everything worked out. I can't believe I even painted the whole room myself, the first time I've ever painted anything, and it turned out so well. So I'm definitely proud of it, and it's definitely my favourite room. So again, if you haven't seen it, do go and check it out so you can see what the room looked like before I did this makeover. And it's just made everything so much easier, because before I had to carry the ironing board downstairs to be able to iron, because there was just no room upstairs to have the ironing board out. So it has made my life so much easier to be able to just always have it out, and it's just so pretty. So if you haven't seen it, again, I'll have it linked in the eye. So once you've finished watching this one, go and check out that makeover video.
This is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to.
So since I've been hanging the clothes up rather than using the tumble dryer, I do have to do a lot more ironing than I did before, and I just thought putting them on coat hangers, all of the creases would just drop out and I wouldn't need to iron. So do let me know if I'm missing a trick somewhere, but everything does turn out so creased. But I don't mind ironing. I actually find it very therapeutic, and especially in this new laundry room, I think it's just so pretty. I love being in here. So ironing definitely isn't an issue for me, but if there is something I'm missing out on, a product that I should be using, do let me know down in the comments.
When you lose, you learn that letting go of love will make you a better man. 'Cause life goes on for the lovers. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on.
So once I've finished with all of the washing, I can head back downstairs and sort out the living room, just make it look a little bit more put together, sorting out all of the cushions, doing the hoovering, and I'm also going to be going in and cleaning the carpet with the Vanish carpet cleaner. I did clean by the front door in the previous video. That was a few days ago, so now it's time to do the carpet by the patio door. Because we are in and out every day, it does get very muddy, especially considering it's raining every day, so it's always wet and muddy when we come in and out. So I do need to use the Vanish carpet cleaner to try and get that up, and I need to remember to put that on my shopping list as well, because I've run out of it today. So I definitely need to pick some more of that up, because it's an absolute lifesaver. I use it all the time and it does pick up any stain that I've had, so I definitely do recommend that. So I'm just going to go around, hoover everywhere, and put the Vanish on, leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then hoover it back up again.
Life goes on, it goes on, it goes on. Life goes on. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. For the lovers, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life.
It's now got to that time where it's time to put the bed in back on the bed, and this always tires me out without fail. It does take me a while, but I am completely obsessed with having clean sheets. There's just something about clean sheets that makes it even more relaxing, getting into bed at the end of the day. I absolutely love it. I have become a little bit obsessed with cleaning the sheets, but I have managed to stop myself from cleaning them every other day, because that's what I was doing at one point. It was every 2 to 3 days I was changing the bed, but it was just too much. It was a bit too much hard work, so I've gone to once a week, which is perfect for us, and I absolutely love it. So let me know how often you change them, and if you are as obsessed as I am with changing your bed in.
I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on.
If you'd like to follow me on a bit more of a daily basis and see what I am up to in my day-to-day life, do check me out over on Instagram. I'll have the link down in the description below. I am active every day over there in my Instagram stories, showing you sneak peeks and behind the scenes of my YouTube videos, and also letting you know what's coming on my YouTube videos, as well as polls and everything else going on in my stories. If you do want to get involved in that, just click the link in my description and give me a follow.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for lots more motivation to come. I'm going to go ahead and leave another one on the screen here for you, and I'll see you back here in the next one.